Gfx Sounds.
Ready to make your tutorials sound more professional? Explainer Videos SFX gives you everything you need to enhance online courses, YouTube explainers, software demos, presentations, and motion graphics. Clean clicks. Smooth whooshes. Typing. Alerts. Pops. Transitions. And hundreds of useful creator sounds. Let's preview the pack.
Amazing!
Perfect for creators, teachers, brands, and editors who want every message to feel clear and easy to follow. Start creating today. Download now.